Good morning, students. The topics that we are going to cover right now from the solid state is location of voids and the types of the crystal systems. So let us move to our very first topic, that is location of voids. So we already have discussed the type of voids. Today we are going to discuss the location of voids, and that of tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. So the tetrahedral voids are located. These are formed between the four atoms that we already know. The one is at the corner and the three others are there in the centers of the adjacent faces. टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड में 4 एटम्स का टोटल इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है. 4 एटम्स का टोटल इन्वॉल्वमेंट इज देयर. वन ऑफ द एटम कॉर्नर पर प्रेजेंट है, कॉर्नर पर. द अदर 3 at the adjacent faces. The other 3 at the adjacent faces. ठीक है. तो अगर मुझे टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड को ड्रॉ करना पड़े किसी एक यूनिट सेल के अंदर, then it would appear something like this. You also make the cube in your notebook and try to draw the tetrahedral void. One atom is at the corner and the other 3 are at the adjacent faces. This face, this face and this face. This is the back face. Face center atom, atom present at face center of the back of cube. ठीक है. So now if we try to join these 3, so this is the tetrahedral void that we will obtain. Let's draw it clearly. At the back of the cube. So this is the tetrahedral void. There are a total of 8 corners. Therefore 8 tetrahedral voids are there. So 8 tetrahedral voids are there. Now we move on to the octahedral voids. Octahedral voids कहाँ पर मिलेंगे? These are present at the centers of the edges and in the body center. So total number of octahedral voids, so total number of octahedral voids is equal to 12 into 1 by 4, 12 edges है, each contribution 1 by 4 plus 1 is at the body center, contribution is also 1. So a total of 4 octahedral voids are there. So you can see 8 tetrahedral voids and 4 octahedral voids are present. We are also going to calculate values for the face diagonal and body diagonal, because these two values we will be needing constantly in this chapter. हमें अभी फेस डायगनल को देखना है कि उसकी वैल्यू कितनी है. बहुत ही सिंपल है. यू ऑल आर, most of you are from the maths background and few those not having the maths background, still it's very simple. There is no rocket science in calculating the values of the face diagonal and that of the body diagonal. So if I am talking about this face, this particular face, and I want to calculate this value, this is the face diagonal and this is the front face of the cube. This is the front face of the cube. If I consider A as the side of the cube, then for triangle ABC, ये जो ट्रायंगल है ABC, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. So we have A square plus A square is equal to, we have to find the value of AC square. So it is 2A square under the root is equal to AC. It is under the root 2A. So this is the value of the face diagonal. If somebody asks about calculating the value for the body diagonal, first of all we need to know what is the body diagonal, then only हम calculate कर पाएंगे body diagonal की value को. ठीक है, तो मेरे पास ये वाला कॉर्नर और ये वाले कॉर्नर को अगर मैं ज्वाइन कर देती हूँ, मान लो कि अभी आप एक जिस रूम में बैठे हो उसका जो कॉर्नर है ऊपर वाली छत का और नीचे वाला जो फ्लोर है उसका जो कॉर्नर है वो आपस में ऑपोजिट है, एक आगे है और एक पीछे है. एंड देन इफ़ यू जॉइन दीज टू कॉर्नर्स you will get the body diagonal. Okay, so you are going to get the body diagonal. So we have this as the body diagonal and we need to find the value for this. Now if we consider this triangle A B and C. I again try to so this is the triangle that I am talking about, and over here there is a right angle triangle. BC क्या है? BC अभी अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया है एंड दिस इज़ द फेस डायगनल एंड इसकी वैल्यू हमने ऊपर से निकाल लिया है, दैट इज़ √2a. ए बी मेरे पास साइड ऑफ क्यूब है एंड दैट वी ऑलरेडी हैव टेकन as A. So for triangle ABC, can we apply the Pythagoras theorem? Using Pythagoras we get AB का स्क्वायर प्लस BC का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AC का स्क्वायर. AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू A स्क्वायर, BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू √2a का स्क्वायर and the AC square we have to calculate. So this comes out to be A square plus 2A square is equal to AC square. 3A square under the root is equal to AC. So AC is equal to under root 3A. So this is the value of the body diagonal. Alright. So now make one important point, note it down. Remember this point. So it is, if B makes n lattices, it will have the same number of octahedral voids and twice the tetrahedral voids. If B makes n lattices, it will have the same number of octahedral voids and twice the tetrahedral voids. If B makes n lattices, tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n and the octahedral voids is equal to n. Now we move on to our next topic, that is types of the crystal systems. We are going to see the types of crystal systems. Types of crystal systems. We are simply going to make one table. We don't have to focus much on this, but yes, some questions might come from this topic, but it is not very important. There are 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais lattices. Crystal systems. A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma. Examples. Only these 3 things we have to learn about each of the crystal system and the lattices. So if I am having any solid crystal, then it will have the A, B, C as the parameters. A is the length in this direction, B is the length in this direction, and C is the length in this direction. Similarly, alpha angle, beta angle and the gamma, these are the three angles also. So we move on to our very first crystal system, that is cubic. Then we will study tetragonal cubic system, tetragonal system, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, rhombohedral एंड हेक्सागोनल. अगर हम इसी सीक्वेंस में लर्न कर पाते हैं then it will be very beneficial for us, because the way these three parameters A, B, C and the alpha, beta and gamma parameters are going to vary. In cubic system, all these three sides are equal. A is equal to B is equal to C. All these angles are also equal and it is equal to 90 degree. Examples include sodium chloride, zinc sulfide, diamond, etc. Lattices include simple cubic unit cell, FCC, face centered, and then body centered cubic unit cell. For tetragonal, we have A is equal to B but not equal to C. Angles still remain the same. Examples include tin, tin oxide, titanium oxide, calcium sulfate. And the lattices include SCC and BCC. Now we move on to the orthorhombic system. Now none of the sides are equal, but angles are still very much equal to 90 degree. So now we have SCC, FCC, BCC as well as ECC, and the examples of this include KNO3, K2SO4, barium sulfate. Monoclinic system, all sides are not equal. Now angles also start to distort. Alpha and gamma angle, these are equal to 90 degree but not equal to beta. Examples include Na2SO4 dot 10 molecules of water and then monoclinic sulfur. We have the monoclinic sulfur. The lattices include simple cubic unit cell and that of ECC. Now we move on to the next type of crystal structure, that is triclinic. All the sides are not equal, A not equal to B not equal to C. Angles over here are also not equal. Examples include copper sulfate dot 5 molecules of water, K2Cr2O7 and then boric acid and so on. For this we have only and only the simple cubic unit cell as the lattice. Rhombohedral or trigonal, now all the sides become equal again. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. सारे एंगल्स भी इक्वल हो गए हैं, सारी साइड्स भी यहाँ पर हमारे पास इक्वल हो गई हैं, बट सारे एंगल्स 90 डिग्री नहीं हैं. यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो लैटिस है वो SCC है. एग्जाम्पल्स इसमें NaNO3, एंटीमनी, बिस्मथ. Hexagonal. Now the two sides are equal but not equal to the third side. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree and gamma is equal to 120 degree. Correct? Examples of this include magnesium, zinc oxide, graphite, etc. And the lattice is SEC. So now let us count if we have the total of 14 Bravais lattices or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So there are a total of 14 Bravais lattices and the 7 crystal systems. The next topics we are going to cover in the next video. It will contain a very important topic, that is packing efficiency. So keep learning, keep enjoying and keep growing. You all are champions. Thank you.